Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet conditional formatting for priority visibility. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet you want to update. Locate the column that contains the priority levels for your tasks. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the column name. Select Conditional Formatting from the menu. In the Conditional Formatting window, click on Add New Rule. Choose the condition that corresponds to the priority level you want to highlight. For example, select is equal to if you want to set specific priority criteria. Enter the priority level in the text box. Next, choose a formatting style from the options available. You can change the text color, background color, or both. Preview the changes in the sample section within the window. Once you're satisfied with the style, click OK to apply the rule. Repeat these steps for any additional priority levels you want to format. To rearrange the order of the rules, simply drag and drop them as needed. Click Done to finalize your conditional formatting changes. Check your sheet to ensure the formatting is applied correctly. Adjust any settings as necessary to improve visibility. You have successfully updated the conditional formatting for priority visibility in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.